Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 656th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today comes from Asia Insurance Review, reporting on the insurance sector's positive reception of the federal budget for 2026-27. Industry leaders have welcomed the measures, which are seen as a significant step toward the national goal of insurance for all by 2047. The budget's emphasis on strengthening economic fundamentals is creating a stable and encouraging environment for long-term investment and innovation across the industry. Our very own Dr. Tapan Singhal, MD and CEO of Bajaj General Insurance, said, "The focus on the fundamentals that make growth more broad-based is encouraging. Stronger cash flows for micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, or MSMEs, deeper formalization, and sustained investment in skills and healthcare capacity were required. For the insurance sector, this translates into a larger base of insurable assets and greater opportunities to expand protection and bolster the country's resilience across projects, enterprises, and households." We also welcome Bharat Vistar, a multilingual AI advisory tool for farmers, which can help reduce uncertainty and support more resilient outcomes in agriculture. This focus on building a stronger economic base directly benefits the insurance sector by creating a larger pool of insurable interest from businesses to agricultural ventures, ultimately strengthening the nation's overall financial security. Moving on to our next story, from Fortune India's investment special delves into the strategies of top insurance players as they navigate a market driven by greater financial awareness and digital adoption. The life insurance sector is seeing a significant shift with a renewed focus on the core principles of long-term discipline and trust. There is also a growing movement to simplify term insurance, making it more accessible and understandable for consumers who need pure protection without the complexity of investment-linked products. This evolution reflects a deeper understanding of what customers truly seek: financial security for their families. This is where a customer-centric philosophy becomes paramount. Our very own Dr. Tapan Singhal, MD and CEO of Bajaj General Insurance, encapsulates this approach, stating, "At Bajaj General Insurance, the real measure of our work is how we stand by you and your loved ones during a medical emergency." This principle extends beyond health to their motor insurance business, where he adds, "The real test is whether we can remove worries with empathy and settle claims at hyper speed when people need us the most." This focus on being a dependable partner during moments of crisis is what builds lasting trust. Our next story today, from National Conduct, we turn to the motor insurance segment where Bajaj General Insurance has established itself as a frontrunner. This leadership is the result of a deliberate, 2-decade-long strategy to simplify protection for Indians. The company has been a pioneer in transforming the claims journey, leveraging AI-enabled assessments to settle claims faster and with greater clarity, thereby reducing the stress customers face during uncertain events. Their entire product building process is filtered through a single question: what is the customer worried about when something goes wrong? This philosophy has led to a diverse portfolio of over 250 motor insurance solutions designed to address every possible anxiety on the road. From 24/7 roadside assistance to the all-in-one VPay add-on, the goal is to make the customer feel their insurer is right beside them when they need help. Our very own Rakesh Kaul, Chief Distribution Officer, Retail Business of Bajaj General Insurance, puts it, "When someone buys a motor insurance, they are not thinking of a policy document. They are thinking of their family, their vehicle, and what will happen if something goes wrong." This deep empathy for the customer's perspective is what truly defines their success. Our final story from Bima Chronicle, a crucial alert for all vehicle owners. The trend of customizing cars with aftermarket accessories is on the rise, but it carries hidden risks that can impact your insurance coverage. While your standard motor policy will cover damages to the stock vehicle, Any non-company fitted accessories must be explicitly declared to your insurer. Failing to do so can result in these modifications being uninsured, leading to significant shortfalls or even outright rejection of a claim following an accident or fire. This issue is compounded by the fact that some aftermarket parts can pose safety risks, such as electrical faults that may lead to a fire. To ensure you are fully protected, it is vital to notify your insurer of any changes, pay any required additional premiums, and always ensure installations follow the original equipment manufacturer or OEM guidelines. Proper documentation is your best defense. It not only guarantees coverage, but also ensures your vehicle remains safe and that its warranty remains valid. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.